Hello everyone, how you all? I hope you all are having a good day and living a healthy and prosperous life. So I've come again here in the video to speak on the cue card, and which I'm doing from last couple of years. And so you have seen my journey, like basically a beginner who is trying to speak in English language by himself and just growing his confidence and by willpower able to like generate content without even thinking of enrolling himself like courses. So I'm kind of person who want to do the things by my own. So I've seen a lot of people's and I'm motivated by them just doing the studies which is required basically. So some material which is required like for improving yourself by day, and so that is what I'm doing. So the topic is about describing talking about your bad habit which you have, talking one bad habit that you have. So let's jump into this video without wasting our time. So if I talk about myself, there is a lot of bad habits basically I have. But if I talk about bad habits, generally have every one's life, but they need to like uh, work into that habits and just resolving them, because if we are not going to resolve it, so we will get a very bad impact in our personality and other thing as well. Just if the thing which I'm talking about today is thing is like bad habit about is casualness. I do take myself as a do take things very casually, like some things which is very important to me, but I try to take it casually, because like if I can see myself uh, some certain things which I want to like improve, basically I want to like improve see myself and want to like see myself as a fluently speaker. So for that I need some certain rules I need to follow, like I need to dedicate myself toward my practicing, and and so for that I'm not able to like take it seriously, like as people who are like enrolling themselves in IELTS because they are preparing for some exams. So that's how I'm not thinking, but I should need to like think like that. Because of that I'm able to gain more knowledge in a small span of time. So yeah, I think myself as a casual learner, right? For that, because I also think that is a part, because if we are forcing ourselves to learn something, so we cannot able to learn it immediately. So that is a natural time period, so we need to like leave it. Without leaving it, we cannot able to achieve that much of uh, fluency and that much of knowledge what we want to gain. So for this video particularly, I want to speak on the cue card. Basically in this video I think probably if I see myself, I haven't like able to speak properly, and there is lot of mistakes I can see basically. So I'm just off the track of my speaking. So initial days that is also happen. So that is happened to me as well. So in upcoming videos I will try to like stick to the same cue card and just try to speak more. So in this video today's I am completing this video on the that only. So I hope you can see, like if you are like learning every day and uploading the video, that is also happen, like you will also get off the track. And in initially days that is happen a lot, because first of all like you are like fearful and hesitated what you are going to talk and what you are like elaborate, because you are beginner who are going to listen you. But you have to believe in yourself that one day you will can be a fluent speaker. So motivation is also a part of learning, so and self-esteem as well. So I believe in myself, so that's why I'm here. And because of that I'm uploading I have uploaded too much video on YouTube. So whether it is like go viral or not, that doesn't matter to me. But what matters is I have basically give my effort. So that is the most important thing for me. On this note, I'm completing this video. I hope you guys like this video. Bye bye, have a good day.